Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to layer vocals in Bandlab. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in bandlab.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bandlab if you haven't already done that, of course. You do that by going to the top right corner, and here you can do it, of course. In the left side of the screen, we have the trending, following, music, video. We have the liked posts, albums, and playlists. And on top of the screen, we have the feed, discover, services, library, and the search bar. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and how layer vocals in Bandlab. So layering vocals in Bandlab can add a depth and richness to your tracks. Launch Bandlab on your computer or mobile device as you already did, and go to your library and open the project where you want your vocals. So go top screen, library, and here when you have a project, you can do it there. Click on Add Track button to create a new vocal track. Record your main vocal track on the new track. Right click on the track you selected, duplicate to create a copy of the vocal track. Then slightly offset the duplicate track to create a natural sounding double vocal effect. Use effects like auto pitch, reverb, and delay to enhance your layered vocals. Adjust the volume pan and EQ to each vocal track to blend them seamlessly. Then listen to the combined vocals and make any necessary adjustments to ensure clarity and balance. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.